In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal Sandbox account in 2025. This process is essential for developers and businesses seeking to test PayPal integrations in a risk-free environment. Let's dive in and effortlessly guide you through each step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal developer website. This site is your hub for all things PayPal development related, offering tools, documentation, and resources designed for developers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as you'll often return here when working with PayPal's API. Once you're on the PayPal developer site, look for the option to sign up for PayPal. This will typically be a prominent button or link designed to guide new users into the registration process. Click on this link to start setting up your Sandbox account. The following steps will be a straightforward account setup process similar to creating any other online account. After clicking that link, you'll find the Get Started button. This button serves as your entryway into the world of PayPal's Sandbox environment. By selecting this option, you're agreeing to initiate the process of creating a simulated yet fully functional PayPal account. This will allow you to test transactions, integrate API functionalities, and explore PayPal's features without the worry of impacting actual financial assets. The next part involves entering your email address along with other requisite details. Pick an email account that you regularly monitor and ensure it's one you'll remember easily. Accuracy is key here, as this email will be tied to your Sandbox account for verification purposes and potential account recovery if necessary. Finally, after supplying all the necessary information, look for the Sign Up for PayPal option. By clicking this, you're submitting your details and ushering in the creation process of your new PayPal Sandbox account. Remember, the Sandbox account mimics a real PayPal account, so all fields and requirements might look quite similar to what you'd expect if you were creating a live account. At this stage, if everything has been entered correctly, you'll receive confirmation of your new Sandbox environment. From here, you can begin testing how PayPal's various features and transactions might work without the concern of engaging real funds. This Sandbox version is isolated from its live counterpart, ensuring that all experimentation remains safely within a test environment. That sums up our easy-to-follow guide on setting up a PayPal Sandbox account in 2025. I hope this instructional walkthrough has empowered you to efficiently set up this essential developer tool. Now, you're well equipped to dive deeper into PayPal's capabilities with confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy testing on your PayPal Sandbox adventure.